So today's story time is about the time that I got kicked out of Cardi B's party. Right before I start this video, this has nothing to do with Cardi. Cardi had nothing to do with me getting kicked out. It was just the security and the whole event situation. I love Cardi. That's literally the only reason that I went to this event, because I wanted to see Cardi live. She looked amazing. She performed so amazingly. I'll put in some clips right here for you guys to see. All of that, guys. I was so sad because I love her music. I love her personality. She just does not care. She just goes out there, has fun, and has the time of her life and gets her bag. But all started when I got an invite from Fashion Nova about 2-3 weeks ago. They let me know that there's gonna be a party, and it said party with Cardi. So I was like, oh girl, say less. I am there. I was so excited. Me loving Cardi, I was just so pumped. I was so ready, and then the day finally came and I was all, okay, this is gonna be amazing. So then the day before, they sent me the address. They gave me a +1. So I got all dressed up. I got all dolled up. I was telling all my friends like, oh my gosh, I'm gonna go see Cardi B. I was getting ready. I got dolled up for 3 to 4 hours. I think it was 4 hours. And it's finally time to go. It starts at 8 and there's so many performers that are going to be performing. So Fashion Nova sent me this invite and it said Party with Cardi, a launch of the Fashion Nova x Cardi B collaboration, which her collaboration is gorgeous. Like, I wish I could have got everything, but it's already sold out. So with performances by DJ Charisma, DJ Duffy, Brianna Perry, Dream Doll, Cupcake, Saweetie, City Girls, and the main performance, Cardi B. And there's so many A-list celebrities there. There was Iggy Azalea, Christina Milian, like all of these crazy celebrities went there. And there's a whole bunch of influencers, you know, all that good stuff. So there was a lot of well-known people there. So it was the event of the event, you know. It really didn't get any better than that. So like I said, I was very excited. I went to the event and it was a struggle to get there, guys, because I left like at about 9-ish, because I should have got there like maybe 7:30-ish, because doors opened at 8 and this was legit like a concert. So people were probably lined up since a long time ago, but this was invite only. So we're driving down Sunset Boulevard, that's where the event was, and we see this big Fashion Nova event right there. So it's all in big lights, so we're like, okay, that's where it's at. The whole line was literally curving around the building almost, and there was a line this way, a line this way, a line this way. So there was 3 lines, but everything was just like bunched up together. So it was quite the mess. It wasn't very organized. So there was 2 different ways that we could have gone into valet. There was talent and then there was guests. So I wasn't sure, because usually whenever I go to events they tell me I'm talent, but I wasn't sure if the talent was the celebrities, and I also wasn't a guest because guests were like the people that got invited last minute. So I'm not sure what it was. So the car got parked, everything was good, they valeted and all. So we go over to security and we ask, so we're actually influencers that got invited to come to this party, where's our line? And then they said, are you a guest, are you VIP, or are you talent? And I was like, I didn't know if guest was just us, because we are guests, but I didn't know like what the heck the difference between VIP and guest was. And my best guess was that I was either VIP or talent, but I don't know. It was a whole big mess, because this time it wasn't just influencers, it was also celebrities. So I was wearing this dress, I was freezing my butt off. Everybody was just in line, not being able to get in. Nobody was even able to squeeze in. The only people that were able to get in right away was the celebrities, of course, I understand that. So along the way, when I'm scrambling all around the place to find out where the heck I'm supposed to be, I find a bunch of my influencer friends. I'm like, oh my gosh, hi, so good to see you, haven't seen you in a while, you know, doing all that stuff. And I'm telling them, oh my gosh, like, where are we even supposed to line up? And everybody that I talked to was confused. No one knew where they were supposed to line up, but literally all of my influencer friends that went were able to get in somehow. After like hours of waiting, they were able to finally get in. Okay, I'm exaggerating a little bit. They didn't wait for hours, but I literally waited for like 2 hours. So I was being like a little patient with it in the beginning, and then after a while my friends were like, you're not gonna try to get in? And I was like, oh, I've been here for a long time. I just need to go home, go to sleep. Let me just be a grandma. But this organization is just stressing me out. Then I see one of my other influencer friends, and she's able to connect me with the girl that gave her the invite. So I was like, yeah, here's my email. I did get invited. So then the girl that works there, she told me, oh, okay, here's your wristbands, so you're able to get in. So me and my guests were able to get in. So we go to the front, and I'm like, yes, I can get in. I can see Cardi. So I'm at the front, and right when I'm in the entrance, keep in mind guys, I am 20 years old. I'm not 21 yet. But usually at events, you usually get a wristband that shows that you're underage and you can't drink. And I was like, sure, I don't care. Like, I'm gonna come. I don't even want to drink. I just want to see Cardi. So then the security guy asked me ID, and I say, oh, I'm not 21. I don't have my ID. And then he goes, you're not 21? And I'm like, no. And he's like, okay, well, if you're not 21, you can't get in. Bruh, I came this long way. I waited for hours to see my queen, and you're gonna tell me that I can't go in? Like, just give me a wristband. Like, I'm not trying to drink, man. Oh, I'm not gonna drink. Can I just get like a wristband or whatever? And then he goes, no, you have to be 21. And so I just turn around and I'm like, right, I'm here for nothing. I was very mad. I was really upset, but I wasn't about to argue with the security, because what is that gonna do? That's just gonna get me literally like banned from that club. I left, and I was just really mad, and I waited like another 30 minutes for the valet. So I was there for a total of like 2.5 hours for no reason. So I literally got kicked out of the club to see Cardi B, and I was so mad because I literally only went for Cardi, and I just wanted to have a good time. So I didn't get to see her at all, and right after that I was just like, I should have stayed home. But I'm really glad that a lot of my friends did have fun. But the thing is, guys, a lot of underage people went, but there's people that were literally like 15, 16 that were able to get into this club. So I don't know if they had like a special connect or what. Bad Baby literally went. I don't know how old she is, like 15, 16. It was quite the time. So I went home and I was like super salty. But that's what happened. I really hope you guys enjoyed this story time. I should probably start doing more because these are really fun. It's just me sitting down, chatting with you guys, telling you guys the tea. I will talk to you guys in maybe another story time.